Hi and welcome to day 7 of our 21 baby steps with the Fly Lady system, where we're getting more organized and starting the year on a high note. Now day 7 is one of my favorites and also one of my most needed, because she says we set a timer for 15 minutes and attend to ourselves. Yes, 15 minutes of me time. I mean, how many of you know that we as moms especially tend to neglect ourselves? Let me tell you, by the time I am sitting down to do something for myself on any given day, well, normally it doesn't happen. It's one of those things that I've tended to not do, one of those baby steps that I had forgotten, but now I'm back with the bang. Now, the other thing is, she says, you have to set a timer. So we're back to our trusty timers for 15 minutes. Because let me tell you, when I am given any option of doing me time, I prefer to take a nap. It is very hard to take a nap for 15 minutes. So there are other things you can do apart from taking a nap for 15 minutes. You can do your nails. I normally like to do my nails a lot. Or read a book. I am currently reading this amazing book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. It's a very nice book. Or you can get a cup of tea, get a cup of coffee, get a cup of milk, a cup of anything, and just sit down and relax. Or you can even also just check out your social media. Yes, and you know, when I did that video about reducing your social media time, I said that you should put a timer, sort of like there's something that you can put on your phone to just put a cap on how much time you spend on your social media. So now I would also take those 15 minutes to respond to WhatsApp messages, because I'm that person who rarely ever responds. And guys, I'm just so busy. And then also check out Facebook, Instagram, and all that. So let me make myself a cup of tea, come and do my nails. But first put my timer, of course, and then, yeah, get some much deserved me time. So, tea, check. Yeah, my necklace is noisy. And now, let me take a sip first, and then I fix my nails. They really need fixing. Oh my, that is so nice. Ah, that is such nice tea. Okay. I doubt I will have enough time to do my nails and also read my book. Hey, ambition. But first, let's put this timer for 15 minutes. Hold on. And boom. Can you see that? Yes. My 15 minutes are coming along quite well. All right. Let's do this. And I'm done. Yes, well, it took me about 70 minutes to get my nails done. And also, and a further maybe 5 minutes to get them really dry, because I don't want them to get spoiled. But I think it was a 17 minutes worth well spent. I don't know what that means, but I've really enjoyed just a few minutes to pamper myself. Yeah, there you have it. Do something amazing for yourself. You deserve it. You work so hard for yourself, for your family, and it's so important every day to just take just those 15 minutes and do something to make yourself feel nice and pretty and loved and all that. And keep on going with the Fly Lady baby steps. So we're done 1 week. So amazing. I hope you are seeing some major difference in your day-to-day life and in your home. And I will see you tomorrow. Let me wave you bye with my pretty nails. Bye. Okay, bye for real.